Well, Mr. Wilson, your chart calls for plenty of rest, neck rubs, and 3 hot meals a day.
Boy, oh boy, what a setup. Free food, a TV, and round-the-clock care. Suddenly I don't feel so well. Dr. Woody prescribes bed rest, big meals, and hours of TV. Oh, nurse! Oh, thanks for coming.
I'm head nurse Meanie.
Well, my head's fine. I don't need a head nurse. I need the neck rub nurse from next door.
Your chart says you're to get lots of rest.
I don't feel like resting anymore.
Good! Then I'll just have to tire you out with some old-fashioned exercise. You know, nothing relaxes me before bedtime like weightlifting. Now you try. Oh, my. You should never lift weights when you're that sleepy.
This isn't going like I planned.
Your chart calls for big meals.
Hot diggity dog! Bring on the cow, Nurse Frau.
I made you extra-large portions of today's special. Ta-da! Bran muffins, bran salad, and for dessert, a bran souffle.
Yuck! I mean, yum, yum.
Healthy food makes a healthy body. I'm gonna watch you eat every bite.
Lucky me. Yum.
Oops, your chart fell. I don't remember that statue. Must be a new interior decorator on this ward. Oh, and don't worry, there's lots more bran left over for dinner.
Easy, big fella. I know we didn't eat, but we still got TV.
The identity of the thief is none other than...
Hey! What's the big idea?
There's a sicker patient in room 302 who needs this TV. Sorry, but it's hospital policy.
Oh, yeah? So I'm not sick enough, eh? We'll see about that.
Oh, my!
Oh, nurse, I'm so sick. Sicker than the guy with the TV. Oh!
Well, you're covered in sweat. Oh, and chicken pox. You're burning up! A hot water bottle? Aha! So you've been faking.
What do you know? I'm cured.
You'll answer to the hospital administrator for this!
Code red, code blue, I'm out of here. Stop that. Woo-hoo! Coming through.
Come back, you freeloader! Aha!
Sleeping on the job, are we, head nurse?
And find Nurse Meanie, Doctor. She wants me to see her patient.
Ah, phooey. I gotta find a way to get past the head honcho. Bingo. The worst case of dizzy smack fusilliitis I've ever seen. Luckily, it's not serious. Beep, beep, coming through. Emergency code red. Meanie on a gurney. Hey, that worked pretty well. Yeah.
Got ya, doctor.
Cancel my appointments, nurse. This is my golf day.
Come back here, you little malpractice loser! Oh, I'm terribly sorry, sir.
You young folk, always in a hurry. In my day, we respected our elders.
Woodpecker!